Kiladon hadu kendai lak teli kiten riding balatung nadu usnam hajar arpo hadu arku sao hakajela batna kini kumbah nyau pulai lak teli kiem pentep menteri rangba kajela Konrad Kesang ma hador bar haba jubab halor kajingkli bawanra adu MLA ke VPP nama orang keneng ba HS Kharpran menteri rangba ula pentep ru bala pelut kumbah shispak klur tengka nak benta bentung yagite kiten riding keleng Susu ula ongru baka sorkar kadang pan kajing etrai lang bat kishnong knang ba kajing kiten riding kin kambon.
Better coordination, spend the funds that we have in a much better manner, talk to each other, and ultimately keep our focus on the main objective of climate change and sustainability, rather than getting down to only becoming implementing agencies and scheme-based departments and basing our success only on the basis of the check dams we created rather than the water that we conserved. So that's the basic idea, sir, but there's much more to it. I have limited time, so I'll not be able to explain, and plus it's beyond the scope of the question, sir. But I was happy to just share those thoughts with the Honourable Member.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Martin, please.
So I believe that tree plantations undertaken by the state government were done on the different schemes. So may I know on the which schemes, sir, the tree plantation were carried as far as the numbers of trees are concerned?
Yes, sir, it is correct. There are different schemes in different districts that have been taken up. Just to give it a rough idea, I won't go into the details, sir. So under the Forest Department, approximately 26,78,413 saplings were planted. Under the Soil and Water Conservation Department, approximately 32,61,496 saplings were planted. Under the MBDA and MBMA, 40,38,433 of them are planted, and there's a subgroup on that under CLEMP, under MEGLIFE, and under MEGLAMP. These are different externally aided projects. Different amounts were planted, which clubbed up to about 40,38,000. So total about 99,78,352.
So may I know whether the government has received any assistance from the Compensatory Afforestation Fund Management and Planning Authority, CAMPA?
Yes, sir, those funds are also there, but those funds have not yet been utilized for plantation purpose yet. We are under the process of going through the entire details of preparing the entire DPR and all the project proposals, and we will be very shortly implementing that. But as I said, those details are not available with me, but I'm for sure the funds under the CAMPA have not yet been utilized for this purpose.
So may I know the amount received so far from the CAMPA?
So that details are not available with me right now, sir.
So may I request the Chief Minister to table it on the table of the House?
Sure, sir.
So we move on to the next.